Okay, so what is the Bonnie's 97? It is a program that we have named the Bonnie's 97 because it's 97% financing. We now sell directly to Fannie Mae, which allows us to carve out some special programs. I don't want to mislead you and tell you that nobody else is offering the Bonnie's 97, but I will certainly point out that a lot of folks are not offering it. And additionally, I think we execute it better than those that do offer it. But it's a great program because it is a conventional loan, and it requires a little, low down payment. First-time home buyers with good credit love this program because they only have to put 3% down. Also, current homeowners who maybe had to go to the closing to sell their house don't really have the money that they thought they would have for their next home purchase, or maybe they just want to keep that money for other purposes. A lot of folks are wanting to invest right now as opposed to throwing their money in their home. Well, this program is also available to them, whereas a lot of our low down payment programs are only for first-time home buyers. What's special about this versus the FHA mortgages is there's no upfront mortgage insurance premium. We had variants of this product in the past, but the FHA program was so great. But due to the pool of mortgages that have been troubled in the past, FHA has just gradually increased their mortgage insurance premium. Now it's 1.75% upfront plus 1.25% forever. We just recently changed that. It doesn't matter if you pay it down to 80%. That insurance is on there. This program will fall off at 80%. You have to petition the lender, or it'll automatically fall off at 78%. It's not for an investment property. It has to be a single-family residence. But a single-family residence can be a detached house. An attached house can be a row home, a townhome, a condominium. We're not allowing duplexes, triplexes, quadruplexes. Income documentation. The only thing that's really special about this program is it has a low down payment. We still require the standard income documentation. People still have to verify that they have the ability to repay. That's very important these days. But the flexibility with the down payment is what we really like about this. They can actually get their down payment from a gift from a relative. This relative can be by blood or by marriage. But a lot of programs limit the ability to use down payment. So essentially they can have no money in their pocket or in their bank account, but they've got good credit and they've got verifiable income, and they can take advantage of this program. A lot of other problems with the FHA is that it's limited to a certain loan size, $266,550 to be exact. This will allow you to borrow up to $417,000. So you can go buy a $600,000 house, you can only borrow $417,000. That doesn't make it that special. So really, as long as the purchase price is $430,000 or below, they're going to be able to buy this place with 3% down. No home counseling, right? A lot of folks. It's a good thing that they go to home counseling, but some people, they've already bought a house, their parents, have educated them on all of this, they've gone to college. The last thing they really want to do is spend a Saturday taking a home counseling course. Not a requirement here. I talked about the credit score. So it's 680 if they have their own 3%, and if they don't have their 3%, it's 740. It's not really our problem, it's our overlay, it's in order to get the mortgage insurance that we had to overlay their credit. Debt-to-income ratio, no stated income, no high debt-to-income ratios. It's 45% if you have your own 3%. Naturally, if you have to get that 3% as a gift, we're going to lower that debt-to-income ratio down to 41%. And essentially, debt-to-income ratios, this is your gross, this is the amount of money that you pay out each month. We're not talking about insurance bills, thank goodness, right? Except on your home, that's all part of PITI. But we are talking about obligations that are on your credit report, or even child support and alimony that's not disclosed on your credit report. This program was announced in September 20th, 2010. We were only selling to the big banks back then. We weren't selling directly to Fannie Mae. So we weren't able to roll this program out. But now that we're selling directly to Fannie Mae, we're able to roll this out, and hence the Bonnie's 97. Home affordability is definitely a priority for us in this industry. We want to make sure people can afford to buy the home. The difference between 7 or 8 years ago, though, is that we want to make sure that they are credit worthy and that they're responsible, and we have to make sure that they have the ability to repay. This program covers all of those areas. So I have got a slip here that talks a little bit about our company, and I'd love for you to make this a handover. My suggestion would be just to write on a Sharpie. If you're looking for a professional lender, I can introduce you to Jim. I really appreciate your time.